I'm just now starting to get flakes. Welcome and welcome back, roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne, and I wanted to go ahead and check in with you guys real quick just to let you know how these two products have been working for me. So if you want to hear about what I mean by these two products and what I've been using them for, make sure you stay tuned. And in the meantime, make sure you go ahead and subscribe. I really would appreciate it. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming uploads. And also give this video a thumbs up if you like hearing updates on products that have been tried. Okay, so if you guys remember, it's been maybe almost 2 months, I believe. If not, I'll put the date when I did the initial video on these two products from Royal Oils by Head & Shoulders. And again, if you didn't watch my previous video, this is on the Moisture Renewal Scalp Balancing Conditioner and the Sulfate-Free Scalp Care Shampoo, which is part of their line that has coconut oil and apple cider vinegar. Okay, so I started using these products so I could work on the dandruff issue. I mean, I seriously had a really bad dandruff issue towards the end of 2021 and going into 2022. So I decided, go ahead and purchase these from Amazon and see if they work for me. So I won't go into my initial review, but if you haven't already watched that, make sure you do so after watching this video. But I'm here to tell you, these are actually working. I have noticed an improvement in my scalp. My hair hasn't gotten dried out. My scalp hasn't gotten dried out. It stayed moisturized. I can't believe it. Y'all, it's been about 2 weeks since I washed my hair. And normally I would be itching and scratching and just uncontrollable flakes by the 3rd day after my wash day. I'm just now starting to get flakes. Just now. Normally it would have been all white and crusty all around here. Behind my ears would have been horrible. But I am not having that problem at all. So this is just an update to let you know I am really impressed. I have used other deep conditioners, but for the past month to wash and condition my hair, washout conditioner that is, I have been using those two products and they really work. I'm kind of thinking about getting the scalp serum, but I don't know. Anyway, this was super fast. I'm on my way to go pick up my son from school. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, leave me a comment to let me know if you've used either of those products. And other than that, roses, I will talk to you later. Bye.